Now you could also use ChatGPT in your fitness and exercise. Some exercise routine get suggestions for workout plans based on your fitness level and goals. For example, weight loss, muscle gain, or endurance. Let us see how we should prompt ChatGPT. So I will tell I weigh 100 kgs and I am 6 feet tall. Give me a workout plan so that I could lose I could lose 20 kgs in the next 6 months. So I already told my height and my weight. So if I don't tell like I want to lose 20 kgs, it will automatically suggest me how much should I lose weight. And I asked it for a workout plan. So let us see how it gives me a workout plan. And I told that I want to lose weight in the next 6 months. So it gave me all the plan. So losing 20 kilograms in 6 months is a significant, but it's a achievable goal. Here's a 6 month plan. So in first 2 months I have to do foundation building, cardiovascular exercises, some cardio for like 30 minutes on most days of the week. Then gradually increase the duration and intensity of your cardio sessions as your fitness improves. Some strength training, full body workout um, for 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on compound exercises. If you don't know what are compound exercises, for example, it is written here. So we'll just copy this compound exercises. We'll search in a minute. Now, coming to flexibility and mobility. Now, third and fourth month will be intensification. Now, you should increase your cardio and you should also increase your strength training, flexibility, and mobility. Now, month 5 and 6, that is acceleration, cardiovascular exercise. How much you should do. It will tell you. Maintain consistent cardio workouts while gradually increasing the intensity or trying new activities like running, cycling, or group fitness classes. Something like this. So, for example, I didn't know what are compound exercises. So, I'll just ask ChatGPT what are compound exercises, right? So, compound exercises is already it told me like for lower body strongs, for lower body squats. In squats, you target all the quadriceps, hamstring, glutes, and your lower back. Some deadlifts include these target body parts. Lunges, these all step ups. That was for lower body. Now coming to upper body, push ups. And when you do a push up, so your chest muscle is included, your shoulders are triceps, and core is included. Pull ups, chin ups, bent over row, and core planks, Russian twists, etc., etc. So it will tell you everything about fitness, how you should do. Now, exercise tips, you could also learn about proper technique, warm routines, and injury prevention. So, for example, I'm not satisfied with this exercise. So, I'll ask, give me a workout plan for all 7 days of the week. Give me um, each body part should be done at least twice a week, right? So, let us see what all exercises it gives me. So, here is the plan. So, at day one, you should do some upper body strength, some push-ups, some bent over rows, these all exercises. In day two, you should focus on the cardio and core. These many sets, these many reps. Day three should be this. Day four should be rest or active recovery, yoga, stretching. Now, day five, day six, day seven, it told me to repeat what I did on day one, day two, and day three, right? So, it gave me a plan just in seconds. I just had to make a smart prompt to ChatGPT, and it gave me everything. Like I told it that each body part should be done at least twice a week. So it made a workout plan like that. So this was for our, you know, physical fitness, for general health. Now in next lecture we'll be covering about mental health also, how you can improve your mental health and you could take some, preventive measures so that your mental health isn't in danger. So that's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next lecture.